Yankwa homa no so na me ne me sister ba ko na me hwe TV di onka ho bi na me nei me yen centro ni those days so sure mo a me sure mo sa me se me bibia no a me eti centro Oheneyere Gifty Anti e wa homa so na me anapay yen wish you happy Mother's Day in advance.
Oh, Medofo, Medase, Nyamisha. Happy Mother's Day to you too.
I thank you so,
you're
so
just
much.
an amazing human being.
Oh. I thank you too, indeed.
Your support for every many opportunity, Miss Minkamidi. Your support for any woman who dares to do something is amazing, regardless of where the person is coming from. Me I did nina me share dia me kashi, but many opportunity maminka. Say ayiko happy Mother's Day to you.
Me wa na mo no adwuma fe ye fe. E de said ya wo champion ma adwuma. No matter where they find themselves, no ye fe. Enti ye tawachi na yetumi apia ma akwa animu. Enti ye da sepa ni anamo pa wutu ye as a journalist. Eni adwumaden a wo ye ebo anamo no to ho a ne yeso ye na mu bia yesuasua mo adwuma mo ye. Happy Mother's Day to you.
Thank you.
It was exciting. Ebra, so exciting. And you have an amazing story. It wasn't that easy, but finally it came. Meaning how that period, pregnancy, how it was, and then akwalane bae, how a motherhood etie. Bet me I can be at
Yo, me da say, senya me, I haven't made it any secret. Say me call me na it was my desire to have a child. Me braye ansa na nyame adom o chemi baako na pregnancy period no we read my book here the black child water
yes
na misro because say ansa na ebaniti bibi kakra bia na misro seven predia sa me call ade so kra na misro ta me chima wan say ya na kola na enti esro ni ade anam de ye banyame hu me mobo yare ni sanya meni na ebi ambo me na mo me wu wie ye no e na me hu se na and that femsa wu se ye no mo asebe ye nyin kakra nsa na ya wo ebi no mo na omo feel say ye betumi awo aye wo no wo a obia no ayiko ni ade ye de nyame ase congratulations it is a wo brekra na wo hu se nya wo besi aka no enye easy because sabi me wuye na me mami efimu de dada enti nia na me ye me mbabi a sabi na omutu omu esi ho be support me na enkakra ye dimu for the past how many months almost 6-7 months me ni akola wo me enti bia mia na me ye mbia me no pa me sorry dare no ya ye ready akọ school and your phone and you are coffin. So see, I make us say my life is literally at a standstill because everything is about her. But me who say kakra, but it's not easy. The sacrifices you have to make because of Akole.
Yeah.
Now so Obibeka, one can't just say no. One now papa just say I mean for not in the buy. Into also we have sacrifices and that's them.
But as a working mother, it's not easy. As a working mother,
I'm telling you, it's so frustrating. And I say, you do not go to school, me say, I'm quite so caught in my general hospital. Yeah, koye donation ama omu any biomo ane omumbani wo niku. Nyamiado me foundation, the Anti Foundation, Ogesia for support and pay, and I'm quite so caught in my general hospital. More horse fighting enough for Hona, me papa ni me wu ye. Now, or horse na me knew what money na me like now what ma why na me da so tema. Enti me ko hu Gesia for no so young partner na ye bibi mom Mother's Day. Enti an pay me na am quite some me pet now say me share by 4 o'clock or say me come from school. And you may more program. Enti me ni obi abesha enti na me ni na yakọ program in your me. Sometimes I feel so guilty.
You know?
So only the bed with now so who join up my wine. Who join up my wine?
Yeah.
And you mama minimum tiafe. Mo auntie no mo nananum mo bua mo hwenkolai. Mama would join into family. Mama would mo in-laws to crap or mo bua mo.
Yes.
A hwenkolano. So wouldn't you crap Mother's Day kokutu na nyim Not done nothing. Because and easy. And easy. Who will be cracked to one thing or say, maybe a nanny and I have help you or show by year. That must say
yes.
Because and easy. Minia and easy.
So when all that you went through, na they memano na ye celebrating man do na as a memano I don't know what you would say about that, because you see the things that women do and men money ade e wo chop money him. What you've been through, are you surprised women are celebrated that way?
No, they deserve to be celebrated 100 times. Cry. Me tia say me papa na say me.
Wow.
Obi me dey bia me ka say me to me kan me want to ba me mbo me papa dey. Now, so it's nowhere compared to Niambaye go to. Just say, even the 9-month pregnancy, a moonsem.
Yeah.
So you quack me, me see it. You tell me. What a theater, a table,
yes.
Not yet to say, all suddenly all the attention is on the Acolano.
Yes.
Not the baby you. You be war pain now will be fame near Diano. Seven Beman move a move. Would the young show say, Seven, yes, Moshan Colano, but what we go through to bring this child to the world. Would you forget about sacrifice for you? Just the pregnancy journey alone. Anything can happen.
Yes.
Anything. Because pastor ma wo akole ye wie ye come me healing kakra na 3 days me bebe sie na akole ni na ye yellow yes join this na ye kofa eyi ye fence fly firefly so then ye di akole ya tu akola ketua 3-day-old baby not them near the akata neni near see ni say obi neni oh sister what mama ya na master one mommy master. Hey,
now I am shishia. I am shishia after CS na 3 days. Yes, John this. Hey.
Share a mema sabe yembu mu abofia yenkata mu ye bibia. Now so more appreciating ya and buy ekom FM just to bring a child to this world. And easy. And easy. Yeah, appreciate him. Father's Day, you better appreciate him. Father's Day, yeah, friend me. Papa wants him.
Yeah.
But and then you come at the one kasa be manankasa. Oh mama, kai sacrifices a woman ye ma one kasa. Bra or bray. Not yes. Sana wo yire. Unyamba. Eso FM. It's a man funny say, Sebi, yeah, be too much. And you die,
and you men now okay, and now to man brow pesoda. The over kind.
Oh, me no bad, I mean, maybe Dinah Hamilton, you may. Oh, Sammy Boom Cotton, Sammy. Maybe
I made you, therefore, why now me away? Wow, that song is beautiful.
Any do metal new way. Oh, me yes, I start with W. Me yes, you know. But no sooner and we are 2 years. We are 2 and now when my back is against the wall. You made a way where the thing here. And not yet. To time I'm in him and I'm a doctor, the mommy. And to that may walk theater, ye time in the cranium, but I know theater room.
Wow.
Because Sebi, me Suans, so that me, a mother.
Now, Michelle, you've been a mother to even journalists, people that you didn't actually give birth to. You've been a mother to a lot. Yamisha Padi, I will show Happy Mother's Day from Obibia, Yen Central for men, you know, and Obibia on your marriage medie, Omo from the states they are in as women. Now uplifting, upgrade your brabo. Obia will show Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Thank you. So my Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you so much.
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah,